Hello champion, I'm teacher Adam. Welcome to my math class. Today we're going to learn a concept that deals with fraction and algebra mixed together. So we need to have the both knowledge and applied. So if you understand the fraction and we understand algebra combined, we'll be able to solve this kind of questions. So here you say we need to have fractional equations. In what sense? You might be given algebraic equation. Maybe you're given an algebraic equation of a fraction and then told to solve for value of x, and from there it means you're combining two. For example, let's say solve the equation. We're told to solve the following equation. So solve the equation (3 over x minus 1 plus 12 over x plus 1 is equal to 2. So we have to solve the equation 3 over x minus 1 plus 12 over x plus 1 is equal to 2. So in that case, you're told to solve the equation. What do we do in that case? So we say, what we'll do, we just say 3 out of x minus 1, then plus 12 out of x plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, we will add, you're adding fractions with different denominators. So make it is x minus 1 and multiply by x plus 1. Then you cross multiply. That means 3 into x plus 1 plus 12 into x minus 1 is equal to 2. Then this multiply with everything there. So if you do that, that means you have 3x plus 3 plus 12x minus 12 is equal to 2. Remember here it's x minus 1, x plus 1. Therefore, the whole of this multiply with that. So what do you get when you add the numerator? So 3x plus 12x is 15x plus 3 minus 12. So that means 3x plus 12x is 15x plus 3 minus 12 is minus 9. Is equal to 2 times everything, x minus 1, like this 2 is times everything, x plus 1 is when you expand. Now here you follow expansion. Here we follow the expansion concept. So in that case, we'll have 15x minus 9 is equal to x times x, we start with whatever is in bracket first. X times x, you get x squared, then plus x, then minus x, then minus 1. Remember here, plus x minus x is 0. And here it's called a difference of 2 square is being applied. A difference of 2 square knowledge is being applied here. So that's good. And then multiply everything by 2. So you get 15x minus 9 is equal to 2 into x squared minus 1. If you do that, you say 15x minus 9 is equal to 2x squared minus 2. Then collect the like terms. Arrange it in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you say 2x squared minus 2 minus 15x plus 9 is equal to 0. Like you shift everything the other side so that it will remain with 0. So you arrange 2x squared minus 15x minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 0. Put it in that form. It means your answer will be 2x squared minus 15x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now, if you reach in that case now, you can either factorize, or we can use completing square method, or you can use the formula method to find the value of x. It is as simple as it is. So if you look at A, its factorization A is 2, B is negative 15, and C is 7. So we say product, we can use product sum. Product is 14 7 times 2, AC. But sum should be equal to the middle, which is negative 15. Find two numbers that if you multiply, you get 14. If you add, you get negative 15. So you will have this. It is 2x squared minus. So two numbers that if you multiply, you get 14. If you add, you get negative 15. So the two numbers, what are they? So you can think about that, because we have 2x squared and we have 7. So what do? Find two numbers that if you do this one, you get negative 15. Okay, so we can say 14 and 1. So it will be minus 14x minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then introduce bracket. So you say 2 into x minus 7, so plus 1 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. So outside here it is 2x. So say 2x plus 1 and x minus 7 is equal to 0. And then so our answer will be 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to negative 1 divided by 2, x is equal to a half, negative a half, or x is equal to 7. So these are the two solutions, and you end up getting. So for example, another question you might be asked from the same concept: solve these equations. So you're told to solve. We need to solve for these equations. You're told x over 2 plus x over 3 is equal to 4. How do you solve for this equation? This is very simple. Solve whatever is on the left hand side first. Make it same fraction. Fraction is 6, so you can as well do so. 2 and 3, because they are odd numbers, just multiply to get a common denominator. Common denominator is 2 times 3, you get 6. Then 3 times x is 3x plus 2 times x is 2x. So we have 5x over 6 is equal to 4. Cross multiply. So you say, if you do that, you say 5x is equal to 24. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X is 24 over 5. You can leave it as a fraction and you get the solution. So solve the following as homework. B, x over 3 minus x over 5 is equal to 8. C, do x over 2 plus 2x over 3 is equal to 4. And then D, do solve this equation. 12 over x is equal to 20. Then E, x plus 10 over x minus 2 is equal to 4. And then do 3x minus 5 over x minus 5 is equal to 8. X over x plus 2 is equal to 5. And then we have h, 6x minus 1 over 2x plus 3 is equal to 2. So champion, solve all these questions using the above example so that you can be able to simplify, so that you can be able to know how fractional equations are being solved. It's one of the highly tested concepts in your IGCSE exam. So if you don't practice and if you don't know the techniques of solving these kind of questions, you might not do well on your final exam. And I'm here to make sure that you perform well. Adam, together with other teachers, we will be ready and eager to help you to do well and master this concept. Stay connected in our YouTube platform, in our Instagram page, in our TikTok account. Wherever you are, just text us. We have communication there. you can call me anytime and I will give you the right feedback. If you need both physical and online tutoring support, we also provide. Thank you. Bye-bye.